So this is a quick tour to our greenhouse, and today is Thursday, August 31st. So end of August tour. A quick tour guys sa ating greenhouse. So ito, nagiging parang jungle ang greenhouse natin. Ayan guys, oh, yung mga huya ko ay lumalaki na. I have 4 kinds of huya. So, nandito sila, nakahanging, yung iba nandyan sa baba. Tapos ito, may mga kuliyos or manyana. Ayan, sinanok. And here's the raised garden. And this is my reverted Albomonstera. And the other one is didn't change. Only 2 of them changed the leaves. So anyway, that's for our greenhouse. I have this angel wings, maculata angel wings, polka dots. It's blooming already guys. And another angel wings begonia I just propagate. And dun sa kabila naman puro mga sili, at may sili din ako dyan na yellow peppers, at naandun din. Yun nga, hindi nga ako lucky sa bell peppers dahil hindi sila dumadami ang bunga. So dito tayo muna pala. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Charan, daming bunga guys. So charan, yung long peppers. Pasensya na kayo, maingay yung kapitbahay namin na aso. At nandito pa, marami pa guys ang bunga. Oh, may hinog na. Kailangan na i-harvest dahil ang dami na. Malalaki na sila pala. Ayan. Tapos dito, mayroon dyang pimentos. Nakita nyo na yan. At ito naman ang beautiful variegated rubber tree. Look at her. So pretty, right? And the other side is the big burgundy rubber tree. I just propagate those. And I have this Monstera deliciosa. Alright, and purple heart, and sigonium, and rubber tree. So let's go to the end of the greenhouse. And I have a lemon, I have fruits, and I have calamansi here as well. Ayan o, calamansi, hinog na. Ayan o, may mga bunga dito sa ibabaw. At dito tayo. At yung puno ng papaya, my papaya tree has more fruits again. And then in our raised garden, I just planted something like not collard greens. That's green mustard, and it didn't grow good. There's bugs eating it because of the weather is too hot. And here's another calamansi, and there's some fruits, small one. And here's my banana, string of banana. And here's my succulent, sedum, and I forgot the name, the other one. That's the jelly bean. And here's another plant that I just propagated. And here's my aloe vera. So yeah, and I propagating those mother of thousand, because all the mother of thousand I propagate is already sold out. So I did propagate a new plants. And then the Christmas cactus. And I have some hanging basket here. And some of my hanging basket, I sold them out already. And here's my wandering Jew. And this is the spider plants. Spider plants with the succulent hanging basket. And let's go to the end again. Let's go to the end again. And here's the end of our greenhouse. So this is just a quick tour. And here's my Hoya, which is I propagate them. I just started propagating Hoya. So nabuhay na sila. Tapos ito, na-propagate ko na rin yan. Monstera deliciosa. And here's another Monstera deliciosa. So yeah, that's it for now mga best. At doon naman, mayroon akong kalamansi. May kalamansi ako doon. So next time, i-tour ko kayo. Hindi ko maisa-isa kasi ang mga pangalan ng mga halaman. Ito naman yung isang klaseng Hoya. Crimson Queen Hoya. Tapos mayroon din doon Robra Hoya and Hondurup Hoya. And madami pang ibang mga tanim guys. Ayan yung Scindapsus ko na that's the putos with silver putos. Okay, that's the silver putos. So yeah, that's it. At yan yung succulent din na plants ko. Kaliit yan guys. Ngayon, ang laki-laki na. Ang laki-laki na. Ayan si aluminum plants. At ito naman si Kalanchoy. Si Flaming Kitty Kalanchoy is very thick leaves. Very nice. Alright, that's it for now guys. Update lang tayo or a short tour sa ating maliit na greenhouse. Okay? Thank you everyone for watching my videos, to all your support. Alright, salamat po. At yun pala ang sayuti pala guys. Diyos mio, ang sayuti, ang dami palang talbos yan oh. Hindi nagbubunga. Ewan ko bakit hindi nagbunga. Siguro sa sobrang init din kasi summer nga. Pero nandito yan siya sa loob ng greenhouse namin. Hindi siya nagbunga. Yung talbos lang. Okay? Thank you. Have a good one everyone. Bye now.